Sports complex, and we've just been laying mulch all the way around here, and then down there at the playground, just going around all the little corners and spots. We're still working. We've been working since about, I think, 9:30, but we're all having a lot of fun. So, something that I loved is that we're all working together in a group. It's super fun to be able to like see each other working hard, talking, and like having fun as we're doing it.
So today we're at the Fluvanna School Board, and ultimately we're just working on cleaning out these garden areas right here. There's a ton of leaves, and right now we cleaned the sign over there. We're getting ready to go over and clean the doors, just generally helping out with some few little maintenance things to help them look really nice and clean.
I love how much they're laughing and having a good time. This program has been dead for 2 years because we didn't run camp in 2020 and we didn't run high ropes last summer. So we're resurrecting a program that hasn't been used in a space that hasn't been experienced for kids that come to camp every summer. So having everybody out here helping kind of see the vision through and developing the area is a dream, because I thought I was going to be doing this by myself. And I found out a couple weeks ago you guys are coming out, and I was like, yes. So it makes me super excited to see people in this space, because I've spent a lot of time walking around the woods dreaming up what it's going to look like. So to see it all come together, at least start to come together, is really rewarding for me.